Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a model and wondered how they always seem to look so effortlessly stylish and confident? Well, guess what? You don't need to be born with perfect genes to look like a model. In today's video, I'm going to share some game-changing tips that will help you transform your look, boost your confidence, and present yourself like a runway star, even if you think you're just an average-looking guy. Let's dive in and discover how you can achieve that model look with a few simple and practical steps. Maintain good grooming habits. Maintaining good grooming habits is your gateway to achieving that model-esque charm. Picture this: a fresh haircut that complements your face shape, a skincare routine that leaves your complexion smooth and radiant, and a clean-shaven or well-maintained beard that enhances your features. These simple practices not only enhance your physical appearance, but also boost your confidence. Models know that attention to grooming details sets them apart. It's not just about looking polished, but feeling ready to conquer any runway or day-to-day challenge with style and self-assurance. So, whether it's a quick touch-up or a daily ritual, prioritizing good grooming habits will help you exude that same magnetic appeal, making you look and feel like a model in your own right. Dress well. Dressing well isn't just about wearing nice clothes. It's about crafting a look that enhances your features and exudes confidence. Think about it. When you wear clothes that fit perfectly and flatter your body type, you instantly feel more comfortable and self-assured. Whether it's a well-fitted suit that accentuates your shoulders or a casual outfit that showcases your personal style, dressing well shows attention to detail and makes a lasting impression. Models are masters of this art. They know how to make every piece of clothing work for them, creating a presence that's both stylish and commanding. By learning to dress well, you not only elevate your appearance, but also cultivate a sense of poise and charisma that's essential to looking like a model in any situation. Good posture. Ever noticed how models always seem to command attention with their presence? It's not just about their clothes or their looks, it's their posture. Good posture isn't just a matter of standing up straight, it's about exuding confidence and grace. When you stand tall with your shoulders back and your head held high, you instantly appear more assertive and poised. This subtle adjustment not only improves your physical appearance by making you appear taller and more confident, but also enhances your overall demeanor. Models understand the power of posture. It's the foundation of their runway presence and everyday allure. By practicing good posture, you too can project the same captivating presence, transforming how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. Stay fit. Staying fit isn't just about building muscles or achieving a certain body type. It's about radiating health and confidence. When you prioritize fitness, whether through regular workouts or a balanced diet, you're not only improving your physical appearance, but also boosting your energy and self-esteem. Models understand this well. They maintain a healthy lifestyle to ensure they look and feel their best on and off the runway. By staying fit, you enhance your posture, your skin glows, and your clothes fit better, naturally giving you that model-like presence. It's not about perfection, it's about feeling strong and confident in your own skin, which ultimately defines your attractiveness and charisma. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is your secret weapon to feeling and looking like $1,000,000 every day. Imagine starting your morning with a refreshing shower, using quality products that leave your skin smooth and clean. Pair that with a good deodorant and meticulous oral care, and suddenly you're radiating freshness and confidence. Models prioritize personal hygiene because it's the foundation of their polished appearance. It's not just about wearing designer clothes, but also about feeling comfortable and self-assured in their own skin. When you maintain good hygiene habits, you not only enhance your physical attractiveness, but also project a professional and approachable image. So, next time you step out the door, remember, a little effort in personal care goes a long way toward looking and feeling like a model, no matter your starting point. Accessorize smartly. Small details can elevate your entire look. A stylish watch, a pair of sunglasses that suit your face shape, and a matching belt and shoes can make any outfit look more sophisticated. Choose accessories that reflect your personality, and watch your style game reach new heights. Develop a signature style. Your unique style is your personal brand. Experiment with different looks until you find what feels most like you. Whether it's a love for classic denim or a penchant for quirky bow ties, embrace it. Your signature style will set you apart and make you memorable. Sleep well. Beauty sleep is no joke. Getting enough rest is crucial for looking your best. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It'll help reduce dark circles, improve your mood, and keep your skin looking fresh. A well-rested face is a happy face. Unlocking the secrets to looking and feeling like a supermodel doesn't require a magic formula. It's all about the everyday habits you adopt. From grooming hacks to staying fit, nurturing confidence to staying hydrated, and prioritizing quality sleep, these steps are all within your grasp. By integrating these tips into your daily routine, you'll not only enhance your appearance but also boost your confidence and overall well-being. Remember, it's not about fitting a mold. It's about embracing your unique self and radiating that inner glow. Stay tuned for more expert advice to elevate your everyday style. Until next time, keep shining.